In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get data from any API into Webflow. We'll walk through the essential foundation that makes any integration possible, creating a Webflow API token for your site. This token is what lets your scripts, automation tools, and backend services securely talk to your Webflow project so you can pull in external data or update content programmatically. I'll keep it clear, practical, and secure. Start by opening Webflow in your browser and heading to the site you want to connect. If you're prompted, sign in, then open the project from your dashboard. Working inside the correct project matters because tokens are scoped to a specific site. Once you're in the project's area, we'll move into the site's configuration so you can access the integration options. From your project, go to Site Settings. This takes you out of the designer and into the control center for your project, where you manage hosting, publishing, preferences, SEO, backups, and integrations. Give the page a moment to load. Some sections will appear as tabs across the top navigation, and that's where we're headed next. Find and open the Apps and Integrations tab. This is the home for anything that connects your site to external services, including native apps, webhooks, and your API access. It's also where you'll manage and review the tokens you create, which is useful for periodic audits or when you need to rotate credentials. Look for the option to generate an API token and select it. You may see a short description explaining what the token does and how it's used for authenticated requests. Treat tokens like passwords. They grant access to your site's data through the API, so plan to store them securely and only share them with systems that truly need it. If your workflow involves multiple tools or environments, consider creating separate tokens per use case to keep things organized. Confirm by selecting Generate Token. Webflow will create a new token and display it once. This is your only chance to copy it, so immediately save it in a secure place, such as a secrets manager or an environment variable, and never commit it to public code. If a token is ever exposed, revoke it from the same integrations area and generate a new one. With your tokens safely stored, you're ready to authenticate requests and start moving data between your chosen API and Webflow. That's it. You now have the key piece you need to power reliable, secure data flows into your Webflow site. Thanks for watching and happy building.